The most affordable and advanced system on the market delivered completely pre-programmed at zero cost. No annual fees, no software upgrades, and no mandatory maintenance agreements. Free technical support for the life of the system. An all-in-one touchscreen wireless computer enunciation console pre-programmed for your needs for use at nursing stations or for use at any number of areas. Consoles can be used to obtain resident or staff location, receive alert notifications, add notes, schedule reminders, and a variety of other tasks. Optional wall mount bracket available. These two wireless desk mount master units delivered pre-programmed with built-in repeaters can be placed around your facility to help to keep costs down when a computer PC is not desired. BEC Integrated Solutions wireless nurse call stations are reliable, flexible, affordable, and the most advanced. For patients and staff, there are multiple methods of communication that can be used and are 100% wireless. Mobile app integration with iOS requires PC master computer and the facility must have Wi-Fi throughout. Statistical Management reporting software can be customized to meet facility needs. You can chart all activity on the system with this activity being time-stamped. BEC Integrated Solutions offer multiple wireless repeater options. We have indoor, outdoor, and UL 1069 listed repeaters with high and low power options. BEC Integrated Solutions supports installation up to 200 dome lights per controller. Dome light controller plugs directly into a wireless nurse call PC. Pocket pager options include pocket pager, desk mount pagers, and reader boards, two-way radios, mobile phones, emails, and more. BEC Integrated Solutions include system designers to help design a system for your facility. Automated quote tools are provided on our website for your convenience. For more information, please contact us at 888-556-3998 or email us at support@becssolutionsllc.com or visit our website at becintegrated.com to chat with a professional sales representative.